Hey, what up guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video editing tutorial I'm going to show you how to do a sad effect to your videos in Premiere Pro and Sony Vegas. Let's get started. So what you're going to want to do is you're wanting to find a clip of a sad moment or funny moments or whatever you like. And then you're going to want to right click, change the speed, and let's add some slow-mo to it. It's going to add a little bit of slow-mo to it. And then you're going to want to go to color and turn down some of the saturation to give it that black and white kind of gray look. You can go back to editing and then click on it. Go to the keyframe on scale. And then you want to kind of click it at the end. And zoom it in. So it's going to zoom in nice and slow. It's a sad moment. And then you can add some sad music to it, which I will have this in the description. And then just add it to it. And it's going to be some sad music. And then let's go over to Sony Vegas. Okay guys, now that we're back in Sony Vegas, what you're going to want to do is you want to click on the Advanced Pen Crop menu, go to the very end, and then make sure it zooms in. Back out of it, and it's going to slowly zoom in. Sad moments. And then go to video effects and add a black and white on top effect. Just drag it over it. And there he is killing me. Drag in the violin sound. I will have this in the description again. And that is how you do it in Premiere Pro and Sony Vegas. If you like these tutorials, leave a like, comment, subscribe for more. Peace out, guys.